Hello guys, you are watching Ashfaq Khan and this is Simple Stupid Things, and today we are going to make a batch program for a tic-tac-toe game. So we will use notepad. I am using notepad++, but you can use notepad also, any text editor you want, because we just want to save it at last as .bat, nothing else. So let's start. Let's move on with the code. Here we have the code. So this is our code. As you can see, what you have to do is simply just copy and paste this code in any of your text editor, Genie, Notepad++, or Notepad, any of that, and just save that file as anyname.bat. There's nothing else. .bat. I have already saved it, so I will not save it once more. So after saving, just click on that file and a pop-up screen will appear saying this. So I have programmed it like this, so it will look like that. So what will happen now? There are 3 stages which I have programmed. So for the first stage, it is very easy to begin with. You can see these numbers are the locations where you can give. So this will, in this game we will always be playing against the computer. No double player program is made. So I wish that I would make that one also and upload that for future videos. But for that, for example, I press 7, it could ox, then my chance, then I press 3, and I press 1, so 0. So anywhere I can press 4 and I win. So yes, I want to play once more, or Q and press Q for quit. So this is how a batch program works. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.